answered the question because you said, what does it take for a player who's been around for so long? Guess why we've been around for so long? Because we are very used to competition coming in, new players coming into the landscape. We are very used to predictions of our imminent demise, and we stay alive and we do better and better and better. So I think Mahindra, you have to understand the DNA of Mahindra is that the more competition there is, the more we thrive. And we think we are proving that today with the Marazzo. And what we are bringing to bear, to re-emphasize what Pawan said, is we bring our own new competencies to the game in the sense that this is a globally developed car. This car, the architecture and the engineering was developed in Detroit. The first time a car meant for India, Detroit engineered that car. And the design, as he said, was a collaboration with Pininfarina. And we had our Mahindra Research Valley coordinating all of this. So for the first time, you've seen an Indian company with a truly global process of development. That's what we bring to the table. So I think 5 years from now, the same question will be asked, how are you going to survive the competition? But hopefully it will start by saying, you've been around for so long.
Sir, Dr. Goenka said that, this is a price point which will not stay for long. At this price, do you think the Marazzo is profitable? Because I probably thought that the car is worth at least 20% higher from the current price, and given the fact that globally the rupee is weakening, the commodity costs are higher, how could you deliver this product at such attractive price?
That's for us to know and for you to find out.
And thank you for saying that the car is at least 20% more, worth at least 20% more. So you are now setting our next price.
Yeah, you're instantly hired into our sales department to go out and tell everybody that our price is 20% undervalued.
Yeah. Mr. Mahindra, just to understand, you said again, the market share thing, that's not the only thing that you're looking at. But in terms of the vision going forward with 2 more launches and Marazzo, what do you see in terms of achieving for Mahindra, not just market share, but sales-wise, and what will be offered to the customer?
Look, as I said, market share is not what we are going to be obsessed by because the pie is going to expand. The definition of the class of SUVs will expand. It's a moving target. What I think the market wants to see is hit products from us. So we're going to be focusing on making products that capture the attention of the buyer, that are grand successes, and that have legs. In other words, which endure, like all our blockbuster products have. If you look at the Bolero, the Scorpio, the XUV, these products have stood the test of time. That's what we want to do. And if you look at our financial results, following that path has paid off for us.
Just to add on to that question, you said that we are looking at premiumization to be able to provide bigger, more better product to the market. So what kind of commitment, if you can quantify the kind of commitment we will see from Mahindra to be able to bring this vision to life in the next 8 to 5 years?
Well, the premiumization I referred to was when I was describing the future landscape where I saw a commoditization of commuter transport, intra-urban transport. I saw the middle segment of recreation, lifestyle, experience-driven vehicles, and then I saw very high premium vehicles. And what I meant to say was that Mahindra intends to be in all segments. In the high-end segment, the premium segment, we are going to be there with the Pininfarina brand, which, as you know, we just showcased in Pebble Beach last week, and which we will show in the Geneva Motor Show. So what we've invested for all of these segments are very different. And right now, I think it's more like competitive information to share what we are doing exactly on that.
Okay, 2 more questions, please.
सर, क्या आप इससे कहेंगे कि आने वाले वक्त में महिंद्रा का सबसे फ्लैगशिप प्रोडक्ट होगा और उसके लिए कितना वक्त आप तय करेंगे?
आप ऐसा सवाल पूछ रहे हैं कि जैसे आपके बच्चों में से आपका फेवरेट कौन सा है, तो हम इस सवाल का जवाब हम कभी नहीं देते हैं. हम कह रहे हैं हमारे सारे जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो फ्लैगशिप प्रोडक्ट्स होंगे.
सर, लेकिन इस प्रोडक्ट के साथ आपने एक नए सेगमेंट में एंट्री है, तो क्या आपको लगता है इससे आपका ओवरऑल मार्केट शेयर बढ़ेगा? बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स ये बहुत बेटर प्राइस है. It's a new segment. It gives you one more opening in a completely new segment. Do you think आपका मार्केट शेयर बढ़ेगा?
जैसा कि महेंद्र साहब ने कहा कि हम मार्केट शेयर पे इतना फोकस नहीं कर रहे हैं. हमारी कोशिश है कि हम एक बहुत हिट प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करें और इसलिए हमने ये प्रोडक्ट डिज़ाइन किया है.